Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on subtitle in Netflix. So if you want to turn on subtitles on Netflix, here is a simple way to do that. So first thing you have to do is start by opening Netflix app or website and sign into your account. Once you do that, choose the movies or TV show you want to watch. So once you choose this movie you want to watch, then you can now access the title menu on the following devices. So if you're on the mobile phone, tap on the screen to bring up the playback control, then tap on the audio and subtitle icon. If you're on the smart TV or you are on the streaming devices or a gaming console, you can use the remote to press the up or down arrow to bring up the playback controls, then select the audio and subtitle icon. And if you're on computer, you can just move your mouse to bring up the playback controls, then click on audio and subtitle icon. Once you do that, choose the preferred subtitle language from the list. If you want to turn off the subtitle out, if you want to turn off the subtitle, or just simply select off, and that's it.